mention the word Goa, the party capital of India, and scenes of lazily swaying palms, scintillating beaches, electrifying nightlife, dance parties, and yoga retreats probably come to mind. If you thought Goa is only about these things, then think again. Goa has much more to offer for those who love to explore. Its eastern and southern borders with Karnataka are dotted with wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. Hence, on our day 5 of the trip, we decided to explore this unexplored part of Goa, and for that, we traveled to the biggest wildlife sanctuary of Goa, Netravali. This day has beautiful ride, bewildering trail walk through dense forest, all-season waterfalls, strawberry plantations, and scenic sunset at Varca beach. So let's get started.
Good morning, guys. This is 6:10 in the morning and we are all set for Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary today. We missed it on day 3 because of some medical emergency, but now we are all set to go and we are very excited. So see you on the ride.
गोवा में कुछ नया और अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस करने मिलेगा, इस एक्साइटमेंट में हम नेत्रावली के लिए निकल गए हैं। ये ऑलमोस्ट 3 घंटे की ड्राइव है जिसमें हम 111 किलोमीटर्स राइड करेंगे टुवर्ड साउथ गोवा। अभी आप जो रोड देख रहे हो वो इस ड्राइव का आखिरी फेज़ है, लेकिन यहाँ पहुँचने के लिए हमने कुछ रिवर्स और कुछ एस्ट्यूरी क्रॉस किए, कुछ खूबसूरत से हाईवे क्रॉस किए, कुछ फॉग वाले रास्ते भी थे। रास्ते में हमने छोटे से होटल में नाश्ता भी किया और ये सब खूबसूरत चीज़ें क्रॉस करते हुए हम अभी पहुँच गए हैं नेत्रावली वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी।
So we are here at Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. You can see the entrance. Here is the ticket counter. The charges are 100 rupees per person, 50 rupees for the bike and 50 rupees for the camera. This is the area nearby and this is the road we came from.
टिकट लेके अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं फर्स्ट वाटरफॉल की तरफ, जो है मैनापी वाटरफॉल। हमने हमारा सारा सामान टिकट हाउस में ही छोड़ दिया है, इंक्लूडिंग आर हेलमेट्स। सो यहाँ से आगे का शूटिंग मेरे पिलियन ने मोबाइल से किया है। ये रोड जो आप देख रहे हैं ये एक्चुअली वॉकिंग ट्रेल है, बट हमने डिसाइड किया कि 1-2 किलोमीटर अंदर जाके गाड़ी बाजू में पार्क करेंगे और वहाँ से हम लोग वॉक करेंगे। बहुत ही घना जंगल है, तो ये जो ड्राइव है ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत ड्राइव है और काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ गाड़ी चलाना। यहाँ हमने बगीरा पार्क किया है और यहाँ से चालू होता है हमारा जंगल वॉक।
So guys, this is the trail for Mainapi waterfall. It's almost 4.5 kilometers from the main road. We came on bike for almost 2 kilometers and for now remaining 2.5 kilometers we are walking down. It's a very beautiful trail. As you can see, it's a dense forest. Okay, way to Mainapi waterfall. So descent starts here. There are stairs, but these are not firm ones. We have to be very careful while getting down. I never knew that something like this lies in Goa. This is beautiful. This is something different from the usual beaches and the churches. we are at Mainapi Waterfall. You can see behind me. There is a water to the waterfall, and this is beautiful, guys. This is amazing. I mean, all the walk that we had for last 1 hour, and all the ups and downs, and the narrow roads, and the dense forest that led us to here, to this beautiful fall, and this is worth coming here. So I would suggest, if you are in Goa for more than 3-4 days, and if you have a 1 day stay, this is a place you should visit. You must visit. So now let me just get deep into this water. Till then, bye bye. And now we are going into the water. Guys, this is refreshing, amazing, and beautiful. Okay guys, so after taking a dip in this cold water and spending some time here at this beautiful waterfall and this beautiful place, we are heading for this second waterfall, which is Savory Waterfall.
इस खूबसूरत जगह से निकलने का मन तो नहीं कर रहा है, पर हमें बाकी की चीज़ें कवर करनी है, तो हमें यहाँ से जाना होगा. अब यहाँ से वापस हम 3 किलोमीटर का वॉक बैक करेंगे टू द बगीरा, और वहाँ से हम जाएंगे सावरी वाटरफॉल, जो कि लगभग 6 किलोमीटर का ड्राइव होगा फ्रॉम मेन रोड.
Okay guys, so we are at Savory Waterfall entrance now. We have to walk in from here. It's around, if I am not wrong, 2 kilometers walk from here, and we should not take more than 1.5 hours to come back. So let's start. Here we can see a board. It says way to Savry Waterfall. So we are going. Okay guys, here is the first glimpse of the waterfall. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, hi guys. So finally we are at the second destination of the day, which is Savory Waterfalls. This is as beautiful as the Mainapi Waterfalls. Only the difference is the trail here is smaller one, of maximum 2 kilometers. Thanks to Bagheera and this refreshing water, that I don't feel fatigue at all, and I'm really enjoying this. This is very calm, very peaceful. So So I want to spend some time here, 5-10 minutes, doing nothing and just experiencing these waters. And I'll see you while leaving from here. So till then, bye bye. Okay guys, so you can see a changing room is here. If you want to take a dip in this water, you can easily. You just have to carry extra pair of clothes. There is a guard, and if you'll see here in this water, there is a rope. So by rule, we are not supposed to go beyond that rope, even if we are in the water. So guys, we have climbed back to the gate, and now we are going for Strawberry Farms, which is 4 kilometers from here. And I hope we'll get some water to drink there. And after spending 5-10 minutes there, we will go downhill to the main gate, and we'll see if we can get something to drink. So see you on the right. Hi guys. So almost 4.5 kilometers from Savory Waterfalls gate. There is a strawberry farm here, or strawberry plantation as they say. So there is an entrance fee of 20 rupees per person to get into this farm. And you can see strawberry plantations, and there are strawberries. You are ripe properly, and you are still kacha. So there is nothing much to see here. Maybe we'll get some information from the farmer herself, some information about the plantations and other stuff. And if possible, I'll record that and we'll share with you. There's nothing else to do here. Thankfully, we got good water here to drink, so feeling relieved now. So let's get to the farmer now.
We spent almost half an hour at this strawberry farm. We were too hungry, so we ate 2 boxes of Driving from hilltop to the gates of the sanctuary was the highlight of the day. It's a nice road with twists and turns making way through the jungle. Amazing experience. हम अभी बबलिंग लेक पहुँचे हैं जो नेत्रावली से 4 किलोमीटर्स पे है. हार्डली 10 मिनट का राइड है फ्रॉम नेत्रावली टू बबलिंग लेक.
Okay guys, so this is the Budbuda Tari or bubbling lake. So it's an unsolved mystery that the bubbles come from the bottom of the water and naturally, and there is a what we can say kind of belief that when you clap the bubbles come. And that's why you can see a lot of people clapping here. You can see some bubbles coming up there.
नेत्रावली से निकलने के बाद बबलिंग लेक तक हमें एक भी होटल नहीं मिला. हमें बहुत भूख लगी थी और थैंकफुली हमें बबलिंग लेक के सामने ही एक फूड ट्रक मिला जहां हमने पेट भर के मैगी और वड़ा पाव खाया. हमारा अगला और आज का आखिरी डेस्टिनेशन है वारका बीच, जहां हम पूरी इवनिंग स्पेंड करेंगे और इस ट्रिप का फोर्थ सनसेट भी कैप्चर करेंगे. बबलिंग लेक से वारका बीच का डिस्टेंस 46 किलोमीटर्स का है और हमें यहां पहुंचने के लिए ऑलमोस्ट 1 से 1.25 घंटा लगा है. ये काफ़ी अच्छा ड्राइव था. रोड्स आर सुपर्ब और मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया यहाँ पे ड्राइव करना, यहाँ तक आना. सो इट वाज अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस. Hello guys, so we are on the Varca beach, the beautiful, the cleanest, the longest Varca beach, and it was hell of a ride. Beautiful ride to Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, and from there to this Varca beach. Now we will be here. This is our fourth sunset. So guys, this is the Varca beach or Fatherday beach. It's a very long beach. I'll just take you to the water. I'll show you how clean this water is and you'll understand what I'm trying to say. I mean, usually we say that in Goa, on the northern side, you do not find clean beaches or clean water, but this is so clean. Hello guys, so finally we have reached to our rooms. It was almost 253 kilometers ride today, and now we are completely tired and we need a good sleep. So calling it a day now, and we will see you tomorrow. So till then, have a nice evening and good night. Bye.